I know if I'll remember to come over.
What are you talking about?
Okay, she wants to do a talk show.
Oh, you guys can do a talk show tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll do a talk show tomorrow.
Yeah, because like I said, you're probably
Wait, isn't it already considered? Wait, isn't it already considered tomorrow?
Shut up. Go away. Bye bye. Love you. Go home.
12 o'clock now. It's considered
Love you. Go home. All right, here we go. Now how this is gonna work? I gotta put oil in those pans.
Oh,
We're
look
gonna
how
use
you got powder in your hand. Bye.
Hi, sweetheart. She can't even get out.
I hate her.
No, we don't hate anybody.
Wait.
Okay, so
Except.
bye. Ava.
Finally, she's leaving. Guys.
All right, now why am I putting this oil in here?
So then it won't stick.
Right. So we'll have to do something. I'll get a wet rag out, and then we'll cover this when we get it in the back. And, okay. And so in other words, we have to beat this down one more time. And then whatever we put this in right now is what's going to be going into the oven. Okay. So there we go. Watch out.
It rose.
Yes, it did. Now beat it down. Like beat it. Like it's going out of style tomorrow. Beat it. It's getting a little, that's why you put that way it doesn't get all wet. Next one, beat it. Beat hard. You gotta beat it down. This is the one you gotta beat down the most. Just because, okay, doesn't mean rip it apart, you beat it. Don't rip it, beat it.
I don't know how to beat it.
Yes, okay. Okay, so you get it in here, you get your hands like you're kneading, okay? You get in here, you keep rolling into a ball. Keep rolling. Huh? That's okay. There we go. So you beat that down, and what's going to happen is you're exciting everything in there, right? So you're exciting it right now.
That was hurting it.
No, it was exciting.
No, it wasn't.
Believe it or not, it's just like somebody's like, oh, I'm going to take a beating today. And then you're like, what's wrong with that dude? See, unlike everything else, the more you beat it, and then we're going to put it in, I think this will probably do 3. We'll do 3 of these. Okay. And then what we're going to do, now you do it. Go. Come on, your turn. Go. Come on. No, I mean go. Go on. Get her good. Let's go. Come on, you're doing good.
This is so much fun.
Come on, kiddo. Come on, kiddo, you can do it. Show them what matters. Beat into it. Come on. You can do it. You can do it, man. Now, let's see here. Now, what we're going to
Remember the
do.
last time we made bread? I
Yeah.
had science about it. That was like at the beginning of the year.
I want you to roll this into a nice big ball. Please. And I need a serrated. Oh, come on. I got a bread knife, but I need a serrated knife that's not a bread knife. That would work. But I put on there it is. Alright. Now, I'm going to roll into like football shape. Okay? So, the reason why is when it goes, it's gonna, however this looks is how it rises. That's why every bread, I don't know if you knew this, but every loaf of bread is unique. Pretty neat, huh? Alright, so get this one out. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna roll them all, put them in there. This should be, okay, let me see. Show 1, 2. Roll these. Not together, though. They're separate, okay? And we're going to put this other one down. Then what we're going to do... Okay, turn over this way. Come over this way because I'm going to show you how to put it in here now. Alright, so when you make them into a nice football shape, okay, then this here, get a rag out so I can... your grandma used to like use grease and stuff. I don't do that. So once they get it on here, we're gonna put this one in here like this, and then it's got to rise again. So, got that one. Got yours. Good job. Like an itty bitty thing. Alright, put him in here. So, put the oil around there. Do a little running like that. Alright. How's him? How's he doing? Get it? Alright. Now what I want you to do, go ahead and dump that next one out. Onto the flour. If we need flour, get flour. We need flour, we'll be okay. Now these newer pans, I'm not used to them yet, but we'll see. Okay, so you get that one all beat down, okay? Now I'm gonna put these in the back here. They gotta rise again.
Flour.
Huh? Keep going, you're doing good. Get 3 more out of that one. See that over there? This will be a bigger thing of bread. And then usually if I start running out of stuff, I use one of these big ones like this, and I'll put a peak local bread in here too. I need to make more of my own. Okay. Get ready to cut it for those. So when you get it, we don't want to get it down there. Kind of twist when we're doing it. There we go. Woohoo! Okay. There we go. Okay, so oh my god, are you ready? Okay, let's cut this in. Might just do 2 on this one. Let's do 2 and see how big it gets. Okay, 1 for you, 1 for me. Bad.
That's perfect.
Got one more thing. Huh? Okay, got that right there. Where's yours? Alright, how's it looking?
Like that. I want it exactly like that.
Make it a little bit longer. Now we're getting about 1 more, so we're gonna put these back here to rise. They will rise, okay.
Higher. That's it.
How's she going to do that strawberry? Okay. Hang on.
5 minutes ago. You don't.
So we'll do 2 big ones because, like I said, I don't have any more ends. Here. Let's just have oil in it, oil in it. Ready? Alright. Wah! All right. Beat it up, Gracie. She's in your balls. Ball's in your court. Let's go.